अर्जेंटीना के दिग्गज फुटबॉलर लियोनेल मेसी से जुड़े कोलकाता के सॉल्ट लेक स्टेडियम में दिसंबर 2025 में हुए हाई प्रोफाइल कार्यक्रम को लेकर विवाद एक बार फिर गहरा गया है। आयोजनकर्ता शतद्रु दत्ता ने इस मामले में सनसनीखेज आरोप लगाए हैं। दत्ता ने दावा किया है कि उन्हें पूरे मामले में बलि का बकरा बनाया गया, जबकि असली जिम्मेदारों को बचाया गया। उन्होंने कहा कि वे इस मामले में अदालत का रुख करेंगे और नई निष्पक्ष जांच की मांग करेंगे ताकि पूरे घटनाक्रम की सच्चाई सामने आ सके।
Absolutely, I'm the scapegoat. You tell me if there is a security breach, if somebody, immature minister does immature act and hijack my event, then what can an event organizer do? You tell me. I have not done any scam. I got Messi. I committed Messi. I got Messi on the ground. If I am, I am not capable. How could have I done Hyderabad, Mumbai, and Delhi so fluently? I am going to the court. I'll obviously ask I have a faith on the judicial system. I'll ask court for an investigation, and I'll also request the current government that there should be an impartial investigation, because I was made a scapegoat and I have suffered. After bringing Lionel Messi, I was put to jail just to save somebody some embarrassment, and obviously because it was close to the election, I was the easiest pawn to get made a scapegoat. See who I am. I'll only ask the new government to do an impartial investigation. I'll be part of it. I should also be investigated. I am there with all the documents, everything. But the investigation which happened previously, the seat, it was a farce. I'll tell you why. Because the CP who was show cause was part of the SIT, and in that SIT nobody called Arup Biswas or anybody. There's so many people on the ground. It is there in the public domain. The CCTV footages of both the gates could easily tell you who are there in the ground. They should have been called, right? Why only me? Why only sort of one-way investigation? They should also call them. See, law is not, nobody is above the law, right?
दत्ता ने आरोप लगाया कि राजनीतिक हस्तक्षेप, सुरक्षा में गंभीर चूक और प्रशासनिक खामियों के कारण यह आयोजन अव्यवस्थित हो गया। दत्ता ने कहा कि 13 दिसंबर को आयोजित यह कार्यक्रम केंद्रीय गृह मंत्रालय के Z+ सुरक्षा प्रोटोकॉल के तहत होना था, जिसमें मैदान पर सीमित लोगों की ही अनुमति थी। दत्ता ने यह भी आरोप लगाया कि यह पूरी तरह पुलिस और सुरक्षा तंत्र की विफलता थी, लेकिन बाद में उन्हें ही जिम्मेदार ठहराकर गिरफ्तार किया गया।
It's a complete failure of police. It's a complete failure of Z category security, Z+ security. Z category was issued by the Home Ministry to state government. That failed, and the Chief Minister enjoys Z+. She was a chief guest. She was entering the stadium within 5 minutes, right? Before the Messi left. So it was basically a very high profile, tight event in case of security. So there is a huge failure of security. If you ask me, as a layman, I thought, that's the highest security after PM, right? So, and Lionel Messi, Shah Rukh Khan, the Chief Minister, Sourav Ganguly is coming. I thought it's a very, very secure event. We met at least 16 to 20 meetings. I took all sort of permissions, everything I took. I thought it's the show flow was given to the police. We discussed the show flow, accreditation cards, who will be in the field of play and who will not be in the field of play. Everything was being shared to the police. They only approved. The Chief Minister's security also approved this. Special branch approved it. Then close proximity card was issued, that who can be close to Messi. So it was 8 to 10 people who were allowed. And most importantly, the show flow was micro level. Each second by second was divided. So I thought it's the most secured event at that time. And then breach of security is one reason.
दत्ता ने पश्चिम बंगाल के तत्कालीन खेल मंत्री अरूप बिस्वास पर भी गंभीर आरोप लगाए हैं। उनका कहना है कि बिस्वास आधिकारिक शो फ्लो का हिस्सा नहीं थे, इसके बावजूद उन्होंने आयोजन में हस्तक्षेप किया और अतिरिक्त पास जारी करने का दबाव बनाया। इस हस्तक्षेप के चलते कई अनधिकृत लोग मैदान में पहुंच गए, जिससे सुरक्षा व्यवस्था पूरी तरह चरमरा गई और मेसी की सुरक्षा तक खतरे में पड़ गई।
Breach of security is one reason. Second, the most pivot reason is obviously a immature sports minister doesn't know what's his responsibility. He played with the emotions of the state, emotions of the fan, and obviously I become the victim of it. He does, he forgot that any action can jeopardize the event. He did it. The first thing he did was he used his political clout to make sure that he can, he can have his own will, own way of doing this event. He was not part of the show flow. The most important part is he was not part of the show flow. I told him, there are video footages. It was shown live in Doordarshan and Sony Live. I told him, please, I told him, why you are calling people to take photos. I told him, there are footages, you see, it was viral. I was telling him, sir, why you are, even the CP, I'll tell you to be very honest, CP also told him, sir, apni bar mat theke berun. The CP said this.
पश्चिम बंगाल में सत्ता परिवर्तन के बाद सियासी माहौल गरमाया हुआ है। तृणमूल कांग्रेस के निलंबित नेता रिजू दत्ता के हालिया बयान ने सियासी हलचल को बढ़ा दिया है। अब सतद्रु दत्ता के आरोपों ने तृणमूल कांग्रेस को कटघरे में ला खड़ा किया है। ऐसे में राज्य में सियासी वार पलटवार तेज होने के आसार हैं।